Based on China's one-child policy, the Chinese population is experiencing a decline from 1.6 billion citizens to 600 million. Studies by a Chinese social science academy show how the one-child policy is noticeably responsible for a shrinking of the population. Only a radical reversal of politics could stop this drastic change, because researchers also warn against political and social problems that can arise from the artificially created imbalance. Another of many precedents shows how the Chinese state deports Uyghur people into re-education camps. According to the Turkestan Times, the heavyweight boxer Abdurrashid Shitan, who is well known for his religious and national outlook, was interned into a camp. Indian military officials announced that they continue attacking so-called terrorist camps in Pakistan. General Bihar called the military actions at a press conference in New Delhi a fight against terrorists and is ready to neutralize them. Russia and the US both offer to convey the conflict. Pakistani President Imran Khan demands Erdogan to be the mediating role. President Donald Trump announced that ISIS-occupied areas have been recaptured 100%. Despite that, there are some contradictions due to reports from Syria and other high statements. Some of these statements report hundreds of ISIS fighters hiding and refusing to submit. The United Nations Security Council rejects the US proposal to send an international observer or commission to Venezuela. This was prevented by veto from Russia and China. The Russian government's request to the United Nations not to allow outside intervention and interference in Venezuela was also rejected.